nigga mad.
Hey guys, Raging Racing here, and today we will be installing my new custom intake pipe and pod filter or air filter. We're getting rid of this old factory box and we're putting in this new one. As you can see, this is blue, and this is obviously custom. I'm not sure if you can see this, but it's custom because it's been welded on here for VN, and that's where the sensor goes in through there. And we're going to be putting it in from there down to there. We might extend it and keep that part on so we're not getting hot air from the engine into here, which makes it slower. So we're going to probably put it there so it's more out. So yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, first thing I'm going to do is disconnect the pipe from the actual box so we can take the box off. So I'm going to grab a screwdriver and slowly loosen the tie here. So then it's loose like that, but I want to try and get it almost all off so the pipe comes off. Put it onto here, and then that pipe's off now. So I'm gonna unclip these here, fire the clips, and you can get that off. Just move this. There's an extra clip back here. There we go. So now the air box is now off. Look at that. So the cable thing's there. So that's the factory airbox right there. It's pretty clean for a pretty old car, but we're gonna give it an upgrade. So now that's off. Now I need to get this off. Alright guys, so I'm loosening this part that's holding the pipe so we can get it off and put on the new one. Alright, now it's off. Gonna place this down. There we go. Now it's off. As you can see, zoom back on this here, we got this pipe off. Alright guys, we're gonna put in the custom exhaust. After putting this factory thing back on, alright, so now we need to put this thing on. So I'll take it off and I'll put it on for the filter, and then we need to stabilize this thing here, stabilize it and put it and tie that through there. Alright, now I'm gonna tighten up the this thing here from the factory thing. So I'll put it in there and then tie this up there. So then it's stable and won't go nowhere. Now, I'll get a spanner and tighten it up. Oops. And tighten it up now. tighten it up. Now that's tight. So now it's like that. Now it's in. Now I've got to start it up and see what it's like. What it sounds like. Alright guys, so now it is in. My intake and pod filter, air filter system is now in. I made sure it's tight. And yeah, so now it's tight all the way. And this air filter sounds like supercharged in a way. And yeah, so now I've got all my performance parts in that I ordered, which is the intake pipe and pod filter. And also, if you come inside my car here, we've got my custom stage 3 performance chip, and if you mix those together, it'll make a good powerful car. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll give you updates on my VN Builder Burnout car, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Bye.